Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Drive TV. Today I'm diving into something we all struggle with at times, goal setting. But not just any goal setting, I'm talking about science-backed tips that actually work. So if you want to crush your goals and make 2025 your best year yet, keep watching. First off, let's talk about setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Research shows that when your goals meet these criteria, you're way more likely to achieve them. For example, instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to run a 5K in under 30 minutes by June 30th. See the difference? Next, let's dive into the power of writing your goals down. Studies have shown that you're 42% more likely to achieve your goals just by putting pen to paper. Why? Because writing it down helps to clarify your intention and makes it concrete. So grab that notebook and jot down those goals. But it doesn't stop there. Visualization plays a huge role in achieving your goals. Take a few minutes each day to visualize yourself achieving your goal. Picture every detail, how you feel, what you're doing, and even what you're wearing. This mental practice can help bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Another crucial tip is to break your goals into smaller, manageable steps. It's easy to get overwhelmed by big goals, but by tackling smaller tasks, you build momentum and stay motivated. Think of it like climbing a ladder, one step at a time. And let's not forget about accountability. Share your goals with someone you trust or join a community of like-minded individuals. Having someone to check in with can give you that extra push to stay on track. Finally, be kind to yourself. Not every day will be perfect, and setbacks are part of the journey. The key is to stay committed and keep pushing forward. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Alright, that's it for today's video on the science of goal setting that works. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your goals for 2025. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Daily Drive TV.